from the McCain campaign because the Obama campaign has been trying to spin it. Senator Obama did phone Senator McCain at 8:30 this morning, but he didn't reach him. The topic of Senator Obama's call to Senator McCain was never discussed. Senator McCain was meeting with his economic advisors, talking to leaders in Congress throughout the day, prior to calling Senator Obama. At 2:30 today, Senator McCain phoned Senator Obama, expressed deep concern that the plan on the table in this bailout plan would not pass as it is currently in its current form. He asked Senator Obama to join him in returning to Washington to lead a bipartisan effort to solve the problem. And to be clear, in addition to suspending his campaign, they also, apparently the campaign suspending their advertising and all fundraising until this is done, not just the debates here. Joining us now is Connecticut Senator, great friend